All right, quick boost. Week 1, day number 4, and as I'm doing this, I'm realizing how much fun I'm having. I knew I would have a fun time doing this with you, but man, I'm doing arts and craft now and just jumping around and sweating and huffing and puffing. It's been a long time since I've had this much fun exercising, and so that's what today's topic is going to be about. Just enjoying what you're doing. If it's something physical, I don't see the point in doing it if you don't enjoy it. And so with these exercises that I'm doing, there's some exercises on here that I did not want to include because I don't enjoy doing burpees, so I didn't do burpees. And if you don't enjoy doing some of the exercises that I do, and you find that there's another alternative exercise that you would like to do that you find more fun during this handbook, by all means, go ahead and switch it out. Because the point of this is not to follow what I'm doing. I'll give you the guideline, the framework, but I want you to enjoy this, and you're not going to have as much fun doing this if you're not doing the exercises that you want to do. And so today's Fit Boost, quick boost again, is do the exercise that you like to do, switch them out if you have to, refuse to do any exercises that you don't want to, because if you're doing something that you hate doing, who's winning, right? And so take that with you. I'm going to finish cutting this up. See you tomorrow. See you then.